Hey, it's me, guys.
And me, guys.
We have decided that we are going to join the Under 1000 group build hosted by Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop.
We gotta figure out what pick to build. Exciting.
There's a few projects that I am working on for other people, so I feel like if I have some time, I should be doing it. So we're gonna do one together. We're gonna pick one tonight, and we will get it prepped and ready to start on September 1st.
Yes.
All right, so let's.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna dig through my stash and see what we can find. Okay. Ooh, snaps. Love it. This one, we could do this blue one. Or we could do this one. This one's kind of easy. Anything with not like a plane or anything like that.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I didn't know.
And we'd want to hold off on Grandpa's.
Yeah, we're gonna hold off on Grandpa's because we have a special plan for that one.
All right, so set your cards up there and let's decide what we want to do. What do we think would be fun? We got 2 months to build it.
I mean, this one would be fun. This one would be fun. Any of these would be fun. Oh, this one would be really fun.
This one's kind of got a cool
Crazy.
style.
I'll
Yeah.
make it look crazy.
That'd be crazy. This one?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, we are gonna do this one, and we are gonna do it bone your eyes out pink. And I thought this one would be really crazy to do because usually people have like bone your eyes pink out. It'd be usually like a Jeep or like a different car. And then we did a truck.
I like
So I
that
thought this
idea.
one would be really cool.
All right. So yeah, Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop told us to give her heck. That's what we're gonna do. We'll be posting our progress and we'll be watching you guys' progress as well. Should be a fun couple of months.